Hi, welcome to another experiment. This experiment is about using a door sensor. So let me just show you what is a door sensor. So here we can see this is the door sensor. So this is the portion which will be say on the inner side of the door. So this is that inner side of the door. I'm just showing it to you. And this is the another portion which will be on the outer side. So this is that outer side one. So if you have a door, then you basically will use it like the way in which we use it, the magnetic one. So here also this is the magnetic one. However, there is a electronic connection to it. So this is the wire, and this wire. So there are two wires basically. So these two wires are connected. So one is connected to ground. So this is connected to ground, and the other one is connected to one of the pins of ESP32. So currently I have connected it to the pin number 21. These are the two connections. So connections are simple because we just have to use two points. That is, one is ground, another is any of the pins which can be used. So currently it's a 21 pin. So now I'll just show you it's working because currently the things are working. So I'll first try to show you the state currently. So currently I have basically assumed now the two pieces are separate. So these two pieces separate means the door is open. So let me just take you to the program or the way in which it will be done. So here you can see you can see the state. I have basically just played it little bit. So here the state is open or state is closed, like that will be there. So this is about the in general the way in which it works. So let me just close this. So now I have closed it. So now you can see the state is basically closed. Okay, so this is what the state is closed. So let me just. So now you can see the state is closed. Okay, so this is the information which is related to the. That means it is as good as saying the door is closed. Okay, now let me just take this out, and I'll just zoom it here, and then I will basically separate it out. So I just separate it out. Now you can see this state has got added just now. So because I have opened the door, assuming that it's like an opening of a door. Now I can once again close this. So let me just close this. So now you can see I have closed it. There is a little click sound that comes. So this is now closed. If I open it, you can see this is open. If I just click it, this is the closed. So these things that I just have done are basically also captured at the Google end. So let me explain you as part of the next video about the working with respect to the Google end. Thank you.